Hi, welcome to Adventure RV Group here in Napa, California. I want to show you the 2021 Forest River Grey Wolf 22RR. Great toy hauler for all your adventuring needs. You've got this wonderful patio on the back for good times in the beautiful open air. So over here we have the leash latch for any of your furry friends. Keeps them safe and close to the trailer. Above us we have the large electric awning with LED strip of lights, just in case you want that extra party light, mood lighting, or forgot your lantern. Outside you have your outside speakers and an outside spot to hook up your TV and watch anything you like. They've upgraded to knobby tires. They're great for a high wind situation, keeps you firmly on the ground. And just like all Grey Wolves include is a nice spacious baggage door and lots of room for all your goodies up front. Again, you've got your electric front tongue jack and your dual 5-gallon propane tanks. The patio on the 22RR is awesome. If you find the perfect camp spot, you can back it up to the river and fish right off the patio. You do have this awesome screened-in room. If you are in a place where it's buggy or just want to keep the outside, you can either roll it all the way up or you can protect yourself with this little flap here. This table, you can have a feast on it. Not only can you fit the whole family, but afterwards it does break down into a nice size bed for your secondary sleeping area. They do a cargo netting up here for any extra supplies or sleeping bags that might need to be stored up there. And again, some USB ports, both sides, so all the kids and your husband is happy. In the kitchen, we have your one-piece sink again, your sanitation station, and your flexible faucet for hard to reach places. They give you some nice storage up here, really deep storage, extra lighting, and your stereo system that is Bluetooth. It has the HDMI cable here, and it will just play the radio if you need as well. Your large fridge and freezer, you can carry all your beverages and all the food you're going to be cooking up over the weekend. And the pantry for all the things you'll be bringing along. On the Grey Wolf 22RR, they do give you a pass-through bathroom. This is lovely because if you're sharing your space, you don't have to come out in the hallway to go to the bathroom at night, and there's lots of space in there. There is a shower with a nice glass enclosure and lots of space for you. Back here in the bedroom, you do get your walk-around queen-size bed with both of your hanging closets on either side, and of course your storage up underneath here because you can never have too much storage space.